better way to heal than to move through what is so natural and what is so about us. And for me, that has opened up in ways that I had never really known how to begin with until we started these practices together. So I'm so grateful. I have felt sisterhood, unmatched, really is a holding of just absolute love. And it's genuine cheerleading. And everything is truly welcome. Everything is truly welcome in this space. That is something that I don't think I've ever experienced in any kind of sisterhood I've ever been in before. In some way, you will be impacted by the importance of this work. You will move forward, even if it's just a little bit. You will be affected and somehow changed. Do it. That's all I gotta say. Do it.